All right.
What goes better with ribs?
Then a potato, nothing.
But this is different.
Well, today we're gonna make a crispy potato skin on the grill. Now I have 2 potatoes that we've already baked off. We're gonna scoop them out.
Are you gonna keep the insides here?
Yes, we're gonna keep the insides. You know your mama.
I know my mama.
I don't throw anything away because you know what, y'all? This will make a great thickener for a soup that you may be making, or you can use it for anything. All right, so we're just gonna scoop those out, and we're gonna leave like a 1/4 of an inch
Little boat.
of meat. Yeah, we're just gonna make a little boat. But this is something just a little different. You know, I remember when we'd take you boys out to eat, y'all would always order the potato skins as an appetizer.
You know what? I still to this day, if I have a baked potato, I eat the whole thing. Skin
Oh, I
and
do
all.
too. The skin is my favorite part.
Skin and all.
All right, so I'm just gonna cut these one more time, son,
Okay.
so that we've actually quartered our potatoes, just like this. Mmm. Love a potato.
And seasoning.
A little salt and pepper.
Salt and
That's
pepper?
all it needs.
Okay. All right.
A little pepper, son. All right, let's see. I think I can squeeze this other piece onto there. And I can. A little pepper. A little salt on that. Now, we're just going to throw these on the grill, y'all. We're going to brush them with butter.
All right, so here's your butter. It's melted down.
Okay, so the last thing we're going to do before these go on the grill is just brush them with that butter. Now, all I need for you to do, son, is just put these on the grill.
Okay.
And remember, our potatoes are done, y'all. So all we have to do is cook them to the crispiness that we want them. And hey, y'all, welcome back. Guess what? It's barbecuing with Bobby. Take it away, Bobby.
What? Take what away?
Take it away, son.
All right, well, we've already got...
Because this is all about you and barbecuing today.
That's true. Is it not always about me? We have got our potato skins on the grill. And right now, we're getting this together for some toppings, right? We're going to put some cheese and some bacon and some sour cream, maybe some horseradish.
No,
not a fan.
listen, Bobby eats most anything, but there's a couple of things out there that he really doesn't like.
Horseradish is one of
And
them.
horseradish is one of them. I was gonna make a horseradish and sour cream sauce until Bobby reminded me. You know, Mama, I don't like horseradish.
Hey, feel free to make it for yourself.
Yes, if you were making this at home, I would mix 1 cup of sour cream with a couple of tablespoons of horseradish. But since Bobby doesn't like it,
Because it is all about Bobby.
It is all about Bobby.
Come on now,
today.
it's not right to do me like that.
No, son, that's all right. All right, now I've got some bacon that I've cooked off until it was nice and crisp. And I'm just gonna chop this up because this is gonna be one of our selections to go on top of our potato. I used to serve these, Bobby, at night as an appetizer when we were at the Best Western.
Well, who don't like a potato skin?
I mean, everybody loves potato skins. All right, just gonna put those back in the dish.
Okay. Well, I've got some scallions cut, and I'm cutting up some tomatoes as fine as I can to put on top of these potato wedges that we've got.
Oh, that'll be nice. So, you know, it kind of sounds like taco toppings.
Kinda, it does, yeah.
All right, Bobby, look at these wonderful skins.
Are they perfect?
They are getting so crispy. Look at that butter just frying up in them.
Yeah, those look good.
All right, I've got our cheese and I've got our bacon. So what we want to do on this next step, y'all, is just sprinkle some cheese and bacon on top of our potatoes and let it melt. But you know what, Bobby? I think we need to just put these on a cookie sheet like this because I don't want to mess up Michael's grill you know, by having cheese get all down in there.
Yes, ma'am.
And I think this will work just as easily.
Okay, we're gonna put it back on the grill or not?
Yeah, we're gonna set that whole, wait, we got to put the cheese on it.
Okay.
So let's put the cheddar cheese. Look at that.
Beautiful.
Look at those potato skins. Whoa! Okay. See, I knew that we'd get that cheese down in that grill, and then Michael Groover would come after
home,
me.
Because you ain't gonna clean it up.
Well,
I'm just kidding. So these are bacon and cheese are pretty obvious choices for potato toppings. What else might you like?
Well, we've got chives, we've got green onions, we've got sour cream.
Sorry.
Over here, we've got tomatoes. So, my goodness, what more could a person want?
Wow.
All right. Now, we're just
I'm
gonna
being
have
liberal with the bacon, too, now.
Yes,
There's plenty of it.
yes, there's plenty.
I mean, there's going to be plenty of it.
That's great. In fact, I see a spot down here that's naked.
All right. Well, let's
We
put it
don't
back on
want
the
a
grill.
naked potato. So, we'll just melt that. And then at the last minute, we'll throw our potatoes back on the grill. We'll heat those up. That cheese and that bacon. Wow. Don't go anywhere. It's all about Bobby and barbecuing. Slip our potato skins on there.
Okay.
And let them be melting.
All right.
Let's take a look, Bobby. Oh, yeah. You know what? And I'm going to slip these over.
Cheese is beginning to melt on that a
Yeah,
little bit.
cheese is beginning to soften.
Those are getting good.
So we'll move those over and bring our potatoes out.
We're about to have us a plate here, it looks like, aren't we?
I'm telling you what we are.
And with my ribs, I don't know about you, but when I do ribs, I always do some sort of a potato. I'll either do
Absolutely. Potato salad, baked potato,
French fries or
French
like
fries, something. I'm going to put do you like sour cream on yours, sir?
Shoot, yeah. You've been knowing me for 37 years. You know I like sour cream on my potato.
All right, there we go. Oh. Little green onion.
Well, first let's show it off. Look how pretty it is.
Looks beautiful.
That's gorgeous.
I'll put some tomatoes on that center one.
Or, you know, too, what I would do with potatoes like this is I'd chop
What?
up some jalapenos maybe and put them on
Oh,
there.
some jalapenos would be
Very,
wonderful.
very, very good. You gonna try one?
Yes, I am.
Wow.
You like that?
That's hard to beat. And easy to make.
Wow, kabow. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.